Hey boys and girls, Miss Letchworth here to give you some tips as you work on your comparing lengths story problems in your packet or from your checklist this week. We have done two-digit subtraction, which is what this requires, but I want to explain to you why we need to subtract two digits in these types of story problems. So let's look at an example of my students. Mackenzie and Landon both drew amazing roller coasters with corkscrews, loop-de-loops, and massive drops. They had different heights for their highest points. Mackenzie's roller coaster was 58 meters tall. Landon's roller coaster was 32 meters tall. How much shorter was Landon's roller coaster than Mackenzie's? Solve the problem, explain your thinking. Now you know that my most helpful tip I can give is that you need to reread that story problem to make sure you know exactly what to do to solve. So again, let's go back and reread. And perhaps we highlight or circle the most important parts so that we don't forget. Mackenzie and Landon both drew amazing roller coasters with corkscrews, loop-de-loops, and massive drops. They had different heights for their highest points. That part is important. Mackenzie's roller coaster was 58 meters tall, and Landon's roller coaster was 32 meters tall. How much shorter was Landon's roller coaster than Mackenzie's? Solve the problem, explain your thinking. My question, how much shorter was Landon's than Mackenzie's, is important. That clue question is asking me to find the difference in the lengths of those roller coasters. Mackenzie's was taller, yes, but it wasn't 58 meters taller because Landon's was 32. So we got to find the difference in the distance from 32 to 58. To find the difference in two numbers, you got it, we subtract. 58 meters tall was Mackenzie's height. 32 meters tall was Landon's. Since we're finding the difference, we need to subtract, not add. Now you certainly could use addition to solve subtraction. Some of you like that strategy. So let's do that one. I would start with 32. To find the difference, I'm going to count the distance or the hops that it will take to get to 58. Remember, the difference is the distance on the number line. So if I hop up, let's see, I like to get to the nearest 10, remember? So if I hop up 8, because 2 plus 8 is 10, 32 plus 8 is 40, I can hop up another 10, and I will not go past my total of 58 here, so I can add another 10 and get to 50, which leaves me with 8 more to get to 58. Now, I can see the distance I traveled is 8 plus 10 plus 8, which makes 26. So I believe my answer is 26. Now, a way to check that would be to see if I can subtract without regrouping. Let's try it. I can do 50 minus 30 equals 20. And I sure can. I can subtract without regrouping. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 20 plus 6 equals 26. I got the same answer both times with the different strategies I used, so I am thinking that 26 meters is correct. Notice I said 26 meters. I want to make sure that I always include what I am adding or subtracting. All right, if you have any questions, make sure that you reach out to your teacher, and happy math solving.